Hello guys, welcome back to again to my YouTube channel Android Instant Programming. So today I am going to discuss with you how to use to interface and how to declare a interface and what is the properties of interface. And also in this video I am discussing with you how to use a interface, how to use a intent and how many types of intent and why to use a intent inside of Android. And we are discussing the properties of the intent, and last one we are discussing to the toast. The toast, how to use a toast and how to use a toast and how many argument inside of toast, and we are discussing in this video. And also we are discussing when we are when we are long time notification to display on the Android smartphone, and when we are short term of notification we are display on the Android studio. All those things we are learning to the in this video. So let's start with this video. So guys, if you do not be watched my previous video, in this previous video I will discuss with you as a practical how to implement a custom array adapter, and also we are discussed the as a practical recycle view adapter. If you do not watch my recycle view adapter, how to implement as a practical recycle view adapter, if you can see right top to right, you will click to my I button and watch to my previous video how to recycle view adapter implement as a practical inside of Android. So and go to the my channel and you will watch to my previous video on the topics of Android adapters, custom array adapter, and recycle view, and also recycle view adapter. How to implement a recycle view adapter inside of Android. So let's discuss to the what topic we are discussing today. So today, guys, I will discuss with you interface properties, how to declare an interface inside of Android, and how many types. And also we are discussed to the interface, and second one I will discuss with you intent, how many types of intent and why to use the intent. So discussing in this video, and I will discussing with you put string method, why to use the put string method and how many types of argument to hold put string method. So we are discussing in this video. The last one we are discussed the toast, how many the toast, why to display, why how many types of how to use to toast and how many argument to consist in toast. And also we are discussing to all three arguments, and when we are display to the long term notification and when we are display to the short term notification. In this video we are discussing to all these things, that finally we the recycle responsive recycle as a practical. So guys, in this video I will suggest you, I will recommend it to you, if you know that to all things, that for example interface, intent, and put string and toast, how to use and how to what is the properties and how many methods to as an argument to consist of the methods. So so the basically I will suggest, basically I will say it for, if you know that to all this method, that is the great thing, you will implement a recycle. And if you do not have to knowledge about to interface, intent, and put string and toast, so we have to know already to all those methods. So firstly I will discuss with you all those methods, and then we are implement a responsive recycle, because when we are implement a responsive recycle, all those methods we are used in a responsive recycle. So those the purposes today, that this my today this is my purpose. We have to know already the some of few topics, for example interface, intent, put string, and toast, because all we are using in the when we are implementing responsive recycle view. So let's start with the video, and now we are discussed to the first, what is the interface. And so I will read this passage. When I read this passage, we are discussing what we suggest a passage and we are trying to understand. So unlike a abstraction class, a interface is used और full of abstractions. So guys, एक abstraction class और एक interface यूज होता है full of abstraction की तरह. तो इसमें ये बताया गया है कि abstraction class और interface दोनों ही एक full of abstractions की तरह यूज होते हैं. तो one thing is hitting in your mind to what is abstraction. So guys, abstract, so I will clear in this video what is abstraction. abstraction is a process Abstraction is a process to only see the relevant data and hide to unnecessary detail by a object from the user. Guys, इसको थोड़ा इस तरह से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. जो एक abstraction जो होता है वो केवल हमें एक relevant data ही हमें प्रोवाइड कराता है और बाकी जो अननेसेसरी डिटेल्स है, अननेसेसरी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन है, वो हमें हाइड रखता है एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट. Interface look, so I will read this passage. Interface is a look like a class but is not a class. A interface can be have the method and variable just like the class, but the method is declaration and interface are the by the default abstraction. Only the method of signature, no body. See Java abstraction method and also the variable declaration in interface are public, static, final and default. So guys, इसमें ये बताया गया है कि जो एक इंटरफेस होता है वो दिखने में क्लास की तरह ही होता है. तो एक इंटरफेस के पास जो अपने मेथड्स होते हैं, वेरिएबल्स होते हैं, वो जस्ट लाइक एक क्लास की ही तरह होते हैं, बट द मेथड है डिक्लेरेशन एंड इंटरफेस एज अ डिफॉल्ट एब्स्ट्रैक्शन. जो मेथड्स का जो डिक्लेरेशन होता है वो एक मेथड का जो डिक्लेरेशन होता है, एक इंटरफेस का जो डिक्लेरेशन होता है, एज अ डिफॉल्ट एब्स्ट्रैक्शन यूज किया जाता है. ओनली द सिग्नेचर, नो बॉडी. But the majority of the interface whenever we implement a interface, so there is some method is a declaration, but we do not be have to pursue, we have to consider and consider to the signature of the we have do not be implement the body, we have do not be proper create to the body of the method. We have only be suggest, we have only to write to the code on the signature of the method. We do not be implement the body, we do not be consist to the, for example, messages and for example other thing we do not be do the, we are override to the method when we are implement by the class of the interface. So whenever we a declaration of the interface, we do not be create a math, we do not be create to the method body, we are just create a signature but not body of the interface. So लास्ट वन द वेरिएबल डिक्लेरेशन इन इंटरफेस. जो वेरिएबल्स जो डिक्लेयर्स होते हैं एक इंटरफेस में वो पब्लिक, स्टैटिक एंड फाइनल एंड आल्स एंड फाइनल बाय द डिफॉल्ट्स होते हैं. जो हमारे वेरिएबल्स होते हैं वो पब्लिक, स्टैटिक और फाइनल्स होते हैं एक इंटरफेस के अंदर. तो इसमें कुछ मार्क करने वाली चीज़ है गाइस. तो आई विल मार्क टू which line is important. Interface have the method variable like but have not default and signature. So I will mark this line because this line is too important. You have know already. And the variable and declarations. So guys, now we are discussed the syntax of the interface, how to declare a syntax of interface. So now syntax. Interface are declared by the specific keyword. Yes, of course, whenever we implement a interface, we are implement by the specific key which is declare, which is defined interface. This is the class. For example, as a class, whenever we declare a class, so we are used to the class specific keyword. So there are, when we implement to interface, so we are used to the specific keyword of interface. So there is an interface, guys. And for example, we are see the syntax of the how to declare a interface syntax. So for example, I have an interface, so I will declare interface and I will, so now I will change the color. So guys, interface extend by the keyword. So second thing, whenever we extend to the interface by the class and by the interface. So we are used to the keyword of implements. So there is a important things, guys. Whenever we implement a whenever we extend to the interface by the class, yeah, by the interface, so we are using the keywords of implements. So here we go. I will mark this line. So this. And now we are see the how to declare a interface. So let's try to understand. I have a public modifier, so I will use to the public modifier, and I use the interface keyword, and I will suggest the name of instrument program. This is my YouTube channel name, and I just make to the pub then, and then I will again to call to modification modifier, which is called to the public. And public, what is a public, guys? So public is a work as a global in and in any programming. So for example, I have a Java, so I will use to the public, where I use to the public method and variables also is used in your programming as a globally. So void has a data type which is do not to return to any value. So I will use to the my channel. My channel is a method name, and I suggest to the argument. Inside of argument I have a integer types of data, and I have position which is variable name. So there is a I will make to the method, but the method have do not be body. So method have do not be body. We are already discussed in this passage. So I will one more time I will call one more time I will read this passage. You will have to get the right information and accurate. The method declaration. The method declaration in interface are by the default abstraction. Only the method and method only the method signature no body. So guys here it is. मेथड डिक्लेयर हम करते हैं लेकिन जो सिग्नेचर के साथ करते हैं नो बॉडी. देयर इज अ मीन ऑफ नो बॉडी ऑफ द methods. So I will declare to the no body of the method. So there I have not be any body of the method in this interface method. So I will just call to the signature method. And now, so for example, now we are see to the a simple program using to the interface. So for example, I will call to the public. I call to the interface. Now I will change to the color here, so you will not be confused. I will choose to those color. Yes. And now public interface, and I will suggest to the name my my Inspiron programming, Minds from programming, and curly braces open and start my Inspiron programming. So I will call and I will declare to the a method which is called the public, and I call to the void data type which is called to which is called to method name. I will suggest to the name, for example, channel, and I will just signature, not a body here. So I just declare a signature of the methods, no have body. So that is the full meaning of the interface. And the methods we are consist of the when we are declared with the method of an interface. So now public void, this is my data type, and channel is my method name, and the semicolon of the semicolon of the line. Now I just suggest to the I will create to the class which is name of YouTube, and I just and now I we are already study whenever we extend to a interface, so we are using the key specific keyword. those keywords as call to the implement. So guys, I will use to the implements, not implement, implements. So implements I will call to the my instance programming, which is called my interface name. Now I will call to the interface and I will curly braces open and start. And now I will copy this one. This is the method. And now I will suggest the, so there I will use the meaningful of methods. So in this method I will pass the simple public void channel. So let's again. So public void channel is my method. So I will call the system dot out dot println and I call to the bracket and close. So I will pass to the simple message. For example, my name is Durgesh Singh. So for example, my name is Durgesh Singh and I semicolon. So there is a method close and now class close. So in this class I have to create a method which is called the main method inside class, not in of the class. So there is a curly braces of the my class name YouTube. So inside of, not outside. So I will create to the method which is called to the main method. So I will call to the public public which is also a static method which is considered to first void main, and in this main I have to pass to argument as a string and square bracket, and I pass to the args arguments and curly braces on and start. So I will make the reference of my interface. So what is name of my interface name? So there is a, for example, you will assume for few times. So this is my parent class, and now this is my child. No. This is my child class and interface name my instance program. So I will call to the interface name. Inside of interface I have a method. When the method is considered, so I will call to the my instance programming and I pass to the reference and I call to the object and curly braces open and start and semicolon and reference dot inside of when the compiler to consider to void main method. So I will suggest to the compiler has to read to the my instance programming as a pass to the reference. So first the compiler is read to the my instance programming. So compiler has to go the first the my instance programming. Where is a my instance programming? So the compiler has see that this name is as an interface definition. In this method, so I have to only one method which is called the channel. So I will pass the channel. So now when the called the as a reference with reference of my channel method, so the channel I have to declare to the meaningful of the method which is called the system object println. I pass to the simple name of my name is Durgesh Singh. So I have when the compiler has when compiler has treated to this method and suddenly has to go to the class name and the YouTube and then see the implements of my interface name and then see the method which is has a body, and in this inside of the method the compiler has to show the message which is which is output. My name is Durgesh. So the output has simple call. So I will copy in now one, and this is paste, and output has done. So this is my output. My name is Durgesh. So now this, and now this is a class close, main function close, method close, and there is a protocol interface method. So next one we are discussing in this video. So now we are discussing the intent, guys. So how to use the intent and what is the properties of the intent when we use to a Android. So let's start the video. So intent. I will read this passage. When I complete this passage, we are discuss and try to understand what the mean of this passage. So Android is used to intent for the communicating between the components and such as activity, content provider, and broadcast receiver and service. So yes, of course, Android एंड्रॉयड में जब हम इंटेंट यूज करते हैं तो एज अ कम्युनिकेशंस के लिए यूज होता है बिटवीन द कंपोनेंट्स एंड्रॉयड कंपोनेंट्स फॉर एग्जांपल एंड्रॉयड कंपोनेंट्स द एक्टिविटीज कंटेंट प्रोवाइडर ब्रॉडकास्ट रिसीवर एंड सर्विस whenever the any person to asking to you how many types of Android components, so you will also answer to this question. So I have a Android components to, which is called to the activity, content provider, receiver, and also the service. The two things to have to clear in this short passage. And intent is used to the communicating to between components, Android components. And how many types of components in Android? Activities, content provider, broadcast receiver, and service. So that's these two things to clear the short passage. Now we'll again to the read this passage. Intent are used to object which is used to the Android for the passing the information among the activities. Yes. In this application and form, one app to another also. Intent are used to communicating between the application component and also it will provide the connectivity between two apps. So yes, absolutely guys. Intent जो होता है एक as a communications के लिए use किया जाता है among the activities and applications के लिए and another apps के लिए. Intent is used to communicating between two application and component also is a providing to connectivity guys. So there is a considerable things and notice and hitting to minds to another thing to it is connectivity between two apps. For example, it is a connectivity to two activities. For example, one activity to you have to go to the another activity, you will simply use to the intent and go to the another activity. This is the intent guys, this is the properties of intent. So now I will for example we are accurate to understand. For example, intent is a facility to detect your activity and another activity and occurrence of any events and by the calling of start activity and you can perform this task. Whenever guys to you wanted to go to the one activity to the another activity, you will passing to the information and the data. So when at the point we are using to the intent, the intent, which kind of intents we are read to the and we are discussing to the when I explain the intent example. For example, I have an intent, I call to the intent, I make to the reference of intent and equals to intent object. I go to the I have a for example assuming for few minutes, so I have a main activity and Java main activity Java class and I wanted to go to and I wanted to go to the second activity which is called to the second activity. So this I will told this I will tolding the I will use to the I will use to the main activity. I am here to the main activity. I am and now I am going to the second activity, which name of the class, and now this is the method start activity, and I pass to the as an argument or the reference of the intent start activity. The start activity is in is a reference The in is the holding to the second activity. It is the connectivity of the internal connectivity to go to the second activity. So I will go to the start activity method and I pass the end method. So I will go to the automatically. This is the internal process to how to go to the another activity when you use the intent. So this is the logic of guys. The types of intent, guys, we are learn now. We are discussing the types of intent. How many types of intent and what is the properties of the intent of types of intent. So let's start with the intent. Are the two types of intent: explicit intent and second one is the implicit intent. So now I have explicit intent. So I am discussing with you explicit intent, why to use in Android and what is the properties and also this passage. So let's explicit intent are used to connect the application internally. एक्सप्लिसिट गाइस ये नोटिस करने वाली बात है जो एक्सप्लिसिट इंटेंट है वो कनेक्टिविटी के लिए यूज होता है एज ए इंटरनली प्रोसेस होता है इसका एज ए इंटरनल प्रोसेस होता है सो आई विल रीड टू अगेन दिस लाइन explicit intent are used to connect the application internally. So guys कहने का मतलब है कि जो explicit intent होता है वो used होता है connectivity for the connectivity of the applications and application to as an internally process. So now I will read this passage. In explicit in explicit we use the name of component which will be affected by the intent. And for example, if we know the class name, then we can navigate the app from the one activity to the another activity using intent. The for we are discussing the before the for we are discussing already now the intent when we are using when we go to the one activity another activity transfer the data to another activity. So there we are used to the explicit intent. So this is the explicit intent. We are using this method. We are using this line, guys. So now we are discussing to the as an example. So for example, I have discussed already how to use to intent, but the explicit intent. What is the role of the explicit? So this is the role of the explicit intent. Whenever you wanted to go to one activity to another activity, this is the connectivity as an internally process. So there we are used to the explicit intent, which is called the intent. So now I have a main activity, guys. So I have a main activity, and now I wanted to go to the second activity. So I will call this method and write to this method on my view listener inside of view listener. So there is a view listener. For example, you will assume to I have a view listener, and in this activity I have lots of multiple types of data which is set on the view. And now I'm click to the data. This is the main activity, and now I'm click to the main activity of any elements of the view. So I will go to the second activity. This is called my second activity, and the connectivity is the internal process. So for this is the this is guys. So this is guys the explicit intent. Explicit intent is a maturity whenever you wanted to go to another one activity to another activity. So now we are discussed to the next implicit intent. So guys, implicit intent. So now guys, I will discuss. So we will discuss the implicit intent. How to use implicit intent and why to use and what is the properties and what is the declaration of intent, implicit intent. So now I will read this passage. In implicit intent, we do need to specify the name of the components. So इसमें in implicit intent we do need to specify the name of the components. This suggests the specify action of which has to be performed, and further this action and handle to the components and or another application. The basic example, the implicit. So now the basic the, the basic example of implicit intent is is to open the any web page. For example, guys, जो implicit intent होता है वो एज अ URL काम कर सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू अज्यूम एज अ URL काम करता है, ऐसा वेब पेजेस को ओपन कराने के लिए काम करता है हमारे एंड्रॉइड के अंदर. तो आई हैव अ मैथ आई हैव अ डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ ए implicit, so I will discuss with you. So whenever you wanted to go to the web pages, for example, I have to the Google has a web page, Google search bar has a web page, so I will open to the one click to I will go to the web page. So there is a possibility to provide to the implicit intent. So now we will discuss to the declaration and methods also. So intent, I will call to the intent class and I will make to the reference of intent and I will call to the new equals to new and I call the object. And now intent dot view action, how which kind of I will perform to the actions, guys, which kind of. So in this line is specify that we just specify the action which has to be performed the further of action and handle to the components applications. So guys, इसमें कई तरह के actions होते हैं. For example, व्यू एक्शंस होता है, कॉल एक्शंस होता है, कॉल व्यू होता है, एक्शन कॉल होता है, and many types of actions we are performing as a using of the argument intent dot view action. For example, intent dot view dot call view action dot call. So for example, lots of action we are providing, so we are right to here as a arguments. So for example, I have a intent dot view action, I will perform as an action view action. So in dot, this is the reference of my intent and I will set to the data and URI. URI is a method dot pass. I will set to the URL. For example, I will call to the Google Google.com. This is the URL of my. This is the URL of the Google and also we know the domain name. So I have passed to the URL. This is the name of the domain of the Google.com and that and I will call to the start method and start method I will pass inside of the start method I will call to the in reference. So this is mean that whenever you click the I have a for example now we are discussed to the as an example of the diagram. So I for example I will set to the inside of the button this method which is intent and I set to the URL of the google.com. So google.com and this all the method I have declaration and define in inside of button. And now whenever I click to this button has to responsible for to this is go to the web browser and web browser is responsible to the find the Google page and open to the Google page to the Android to the to the page suitable display. There is an example, guys. Whenever we are used to the implicit intent, so we are open to the any web page and any website name. For example, W3 school. There is a website name and the lots of website whenever you use and you will perform to a website URL as a intent. So there we are used to the implicit intent. So now finally we are discussed the put string method. Put string. Why do you use the put string and how many types of put string consist of the arguments? So guys, first the put string is a two argument as a string and as a int. So I will pass to the string string. So there is a two argument which is one of string and second is int, guys. So put string. So I will read this small passage then we are discuss when I complete this passage. Put string method inside of two argument string type and integer type cost and absolutely. It is used to the purpose of when we pass to the data from one activity to the another activity. There we use. So हाँ, इसका मतलब यह है कि गाइस जब भी हम पुट स्ट्रिंग को यूज करते हैं, जब हम एक एक्टिविटी का डेटा ट्रांसफर करते हैं दूसरे एक्टिविटी पे, तो वहां हम पुट स्ट्रिंग का यूज करते हैं। पुट स्ट्रिंग एज अ opportunity to give and possibility to give to you will get the data the right activity and present activity and go to transfer the another activity the same data, and you will access and manipulate the one activity and second activity as a put string method, using a put string method. So it is so for example, it is used to the purpose of when we pass to the data from one activity to another activity. So I will mark this, and जो इसका पर्पस बेसिकली जो इसका पर्पस होता है गाइस, जब भी हम इसे यूज करते हैं हम डेटा को एक्सेस करते हैं, डेटा को स्टोर कराते हैं एज ए स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू में, एज अ प्रेजेंट एक्टिविटी में जिसमें हम काम कर रहे हैं व्यू के अंदर, चाहे वो लिस्ट व्यू हो, चाहे रिसाइकिल व्यू हो, चाहे वो ग्रेड व्यू, वट एवर वी आर fetching, we are passing the data as a, we are holding to the data as a position and passing to the data as a string variables. For example, I have, so now we are discussing as an example for, and now the put string method also it is called by the intent reference. Yes, the one of second thing, whenever we are used to put string method, we are using as an intent reference. For example, I have an intent, I will create a reference and equals to new intent object, and I have to reference of intent which is called to in dot put string. So there is a second line I have to show method, and also it's called by the intent reference. So I will, this is the intent reference dot put string. So I will call to put string method, and I have to two arguments I will pass. One of the string is, second one is the integer type. So I have, for example, this is the, for example, you will assume the in view as a positions method which is in type, and it is holding to the view position, and I will call this variable which is holding the all the view position, I will call with plus operator, and now I will pass to the double f. Double f is a randomly I will choose, and double f is randomly I choose the string variable, and all the position has gone to this string variables, and now you will get, and how to you will get, how how to get how to get another activity, how to get another activity data by put string method, by using how to get another activity data using which is called which is called put string method. So guys, how to get the another activity, how to get the data, how to get the data to, how to get the data another activity inside of how to get the data inside of another activity which is which hold the put string method. So now I will show you method how it is done. So I will call to the string, and I pass to double as a variable, and get, I will call to the get intent, this get intent which is head to the get the string data, and I will call to the extra get extra dot get string get string, get a string, and I will pass to the key name which is hold to the data. There is a key name. I will copy this one. So all the data has to double F string, and now I will get to the data which is name of string variable double S. All the data has get to the string name which is double S, and now you will use to the another activity whenever you use to the data by using get and get intent and get intent and dot get extra dot get string. This is the method we will get to the put string data. And so now we will discuss the toast guys. The next topic is the toast. So now we are discussing the toast. I will read this passage. When I complete this passage, we are discuss and try to understand what we say to the passage. So let's start. In Android, is a toast is used to display the information for a period of time. So of course, guys, जो intent जो होता है एक Android में as a informations को display कराता है as a period of time. So I will mark this line. It is the content of a message to display the quickly and disappear after the specific of period time. So I will just mark this line because both of them is important to understand. And it is does not block the user interaction, and toast toast is toast is a subclass of the object class. In this we use to the two contents of the setting of the duration of the toast, and toast notification in Android always appear to the near of the bottom of the screen. So guys, इस toast इस पैसेज में पूरा ये बताया गया है जो toast है डिस्प्ले कराता है फिर डिस्प्ले कराता है कि इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्प्ले कराता है मैसेजेस डिस्प्ले कराता है एज अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. It is the content of the message. ये क्या है कि एक पूरा content of the messages है whenever you are used to the toast, and this is the quickly बहुत ही जल्दी ये मैसेज को डिस्प्ले कराता है और उतनी ही जल्दी ये डिसअपियर हो जाता है inside of the period of time. And it is the object of block the user interaction. मतलब ये this is a does not to affected to a user interface, and what is how is you done the interface, and it is the interface that does not be affected and exit the interface that does not be affected. The interface वैसे ही रहता है जैसा आपने एग्जिस्ट किया है, जैसा आपने अपने लेआउट में डिज़ाइन किया कस्टमाइज किया वो वैसे रहता है, उसमें कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं होते हैं. और फाइनली द लास्ट लाइन वी आर डिस्कसिंग नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ द ऑलवेज बी अपीयर टू द नियर ऑफ द बॉटम ऑफ द स्क्रीन. जो भी नोटिफिकेशन ऐसा हम पोस्ट से अपीयर कराते हैं वो ऐसा बॉटम ऑफ द स्क्रीन डिस्प्ले होते हैं. चाहे वो एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल एंड्रॉयड स्मार्टफोन जब भी आप एक टोस्ट यूज करते हो वो एज एन नियर ऑफ द बॉटम ऑफ द स्क्रीन डिस्प्ले होते हैं टोस्ट. सो नाउ we are discussed to the important method of the toast. For example, so now we are discussing the methods also. So Mac text. This is the method. In this method, we have to send to three arguments. So now we are seeing context, case sequence, and in type of durations. This is the three argument: context, care sequence, and in types of durations. So this is the method is used to initiate of the toast. This is the method of take the parameter. First is the first is the first is for the application of context. हमें एप्लीकेशन बताना पड़ता है, एप्लीकेशन किस टाइप का एज अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट बताना पड़ता है. सेकंड इज द टेक्स्ट मैसेज, हम किस तरह का टेक्स्ट डिस्प्ले कराना चाहते हैं वो हमें लिखना पड़ता है केयर सीक्वेंस के अंदर. द लास्ट वन इज द ड्यूरेशन, हमें ड्यूरेशन लिखना पड़ता है कि कितने टाइम्स में कितना टाइम हम डिस्प्ले कराना चाहते हैं, ऐसा हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, हाउ यू होल्ड टू द मैसेजेस, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स ऑफ यू डिस्प्ले द message and notification. For example, length. Now we are discussing to the when you are long time you display the notification, and when you are short time would display the notification. The length long is a especially the length long is a especially to use whenever you are display the long time of period of the notification, and long length short is a whenever you are display to a short term of period of time display the notification. So there are being used to the length long and length short. So one more time I will read this passage and try to understand. Length long, it is used to display the toast for a long period of time. When we are set the duration of the toast, we will display the long time of duration. So for यही मैंने before से the same thing भाई जब भी आप लेंथ लॉन्ग मेथड यूज करते हैं तो वो डेटा जो जो नोटिफिकेशन जो होता है जो टोस्ट में जो नोटिफिकेशन जो हम सेट करते हैं एज अ टेक्स्ट वो लॉन्ग टाइम पीरियड ऑफ डिस्प्ले होता है। तो वहीं अगेंस्ट हम बात करें लेंथ शॉर्ट की, वहीं अगेंस्ट हम लेंथ शॉर्ट की बात करें तो वो क्या होता है, जो हमारी लेंथ होती है मैसेज और नोटिफिकेशंस की वो शॉर्ट हो जाती है, शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम हो जाती है। तो वहाँ हम लेंथ short or length long का जब भी आप whenever you wanted to desire to you will long or length long you will long to display the notifications, you will use to the length long, and whenever you want to desire to length short you will short display, so you will use to the length short method in your task. So I have an example. You will say that I have a toast. I will call to the toast method, and I will go to the mat test is a method. In this method, inside of method, we are seeing the three arguments. So first is our get application context. We are have told that as an argument. We have first argument is holding the get application context. We have the application context type, and now I will pass to the hello world. Oh, sorry. So I will pass to the simple message which is called to the hello. This is the case sequence of text we in this method in this argument we are passing as a string character. So I will pass to the small character. I have passing the hello, and now we are called the toast dot length short. I will show the only the display message but length short. This is the length, the short period of time. This is not the long term of period. This is the display the notification hello, and suddenly it's a disappear to after few seconds of the notification, and then the display the notification has displayed as a disappear. So and after I will use the show the display जो भी हम मेथड जो भी हम टोस्ट शो कराना चाह रहे हैं उसे हम ऐसे कंपाइलर हम बता रहे हैं कि डॉट शो जो भी हम नोटिफिकेशन शो कराना चाह रहे हैं वो जाके शो हो जाए एक एंड्रॉइड स्मार्टफोन के डिस्प्ले पे। So guys, today we are learned with those topics called which is called to interface, and today we are learned the interface, how to use and what is the properties of interface, and also we are using to the intent, how many types of intent and why to use the intent, and also we are discussing the put string method and how many types of argument in this inside of put string and why to use the put string method, and also we are discussing the toast and why to use the toast and how many arguments of inside of toast, and why to use to the length short and length long method inside of toast. So next video we are discussing to the responsive recycle view as a practical guys. So all those methods today we are learned in all methods we are using in when we are implement a responsive recycle view as a practical. So if you're watching this video, so thank you for watching this video. So next time, next video we are see how to implement a recycle view as a practical. So take care.